Hey, this is Jason with the local locksmith company. Today I want to talk about this deadbolt, electronic deadbolt, keypad deadbolt that I installed. And I want a good look at it. It's a Kwikset 905. And it's got no key, no override key. So it's pretty simple. Once you get it installed to lock, you just hit the lock button and the lock throws out automatically. It's a power bolt. And then if you type in your code, which I'll type in here, do it again. Pretty easy. Takes a little more space up on this side of the door. Fits right in where everything else goes. There's no drilling required. Fits right in the same hole as a deadbolt, a regular deadbolt. So if you got a deadbolt, there's no drilling required. I paired it with this handle. I got this on Amazon as well. I got this on Amazon for like $37, maybe $40. And then I got this on Amazon for like $27, $30. So $70 for both. That's a pretty good deal for the way it looks. It looks real high end. And this doesn't have a key. So never pair a key with a keyless deadbolt. That's how you'll lock yourself out. And then you can, however, lock this door on the inside with this button right here. If you just push this button, it locks the handle on the outside. So you can't open it. And then you just hit the handle to release it. Little button on the outside though. Little button underneath there on that side, right there. And then again, locks it. If it get locked out because you did that and you didn't unlock it, there's a access hole to poke. You can poke in there to release that lock. This is by no means for security. This is just for privacy. But this is a Kwikset 905. Keyless deadbolt. Stores multiple codes. And if the battery goes dead and you don't have an override key, you just go buy a 9-volt battery at the store. You touch it to these two ends here. And it charges it. It energizes your keypad so you can unlock your door. Again, it's let me put that on right. Kwikset 905. I hope you like it. I hope you like the video. Again, this is Jason with the local locksmith company. Like the video. If you like it, hit the like button. If you can share it, and follow us if you decide you want to see more videos. Thanks.